What if the smartest upgrade you could make to your brain wasn't in a book or a pill, but in your shoes? Yes, exercise is not just fitness for the body, it's power for your mind. And whether you're 5 or 45, a student, a surgeon, or a survivor, this message is for you. From toddlers to older adults, from healthy individuals to cancer survivors, exercise sharpens the mind. Studies show that aerobic activity improves memory, processing speed, and executive function, especially in children aged 6 to 13 and adults over the age of 50. Even patients with Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, or breast cancer-related cognitive issues experience real brain gains through regular physical activity. So why is this happening? This is because exercise activates a symphony of mechanisms at every level of your biology. At level 1, cellular and molecular, exercise boosts BDNF, VEGF, and IGF-1, fancy names for chemicals that help grow brain cells, blood vessels, and improve connections. Level 2, brain structure and function. It physically grows your hippocampus, which is your memory center, and strengthens the white matter highways that allow for fast thinking. And level 3, psychosocial benefits. Exercise improves your mood, reduces stress, enhances sleep, and supports the brain's emotional control centers. Now, kids, they develop faster. Teens, exercise stabilizes those intense emotions and sharpens focus. Young adults, it's your brain's prime, lock it in now. Older adults, stay sharp, stay independent. Even breast cancer survivors show cognitive recovery with aerobic workouts. And if you're battling stress, anxiety, or depression, movement can feel like medicine. It's not a magic pill, but it's the closest thing we have. So what does this mean for you? To medical students and residents, you're learning about the brain. Now train yours. Don't just talk about neuroplasticity, live it. To the general public, you don't need to run a marathon. Start with approximately 150 minutes of brisk walking a week. Add resistance or dancing if you like. What matters most? Consistency. So in closing, your brain is plastic, alive, and responsive, and exercise is the sculptor. It strengthens memory, fuels learning, and helps you face life's challenges, physically and mentally. So let's make movement not a chore, but a daily gift to our future selves. Whether you're holding a scalpel, a stethoscope, or a school book, remember this: exercise is brain care, and brain care is self-care. Tag a friend, mentor, mentee, or colleague and take that first walk. Your brain will thank you. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day.